what is wrong with me, like with consistency. The problem is that whenever I say anything bad for anything, I kind of fumble. I don't know why. What is the problem? I think I need to understand that it's okay. I can also give my opinion. I'm not saying that this brand is wrong or the brand is bad. I really love some of the products from this brand, but this doesn't work and I don't know why am I even fumbling. But let's come back to the point. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I know that you all love the kind of videos that I'm making, especially the viral products that I review for you. I see a trend where you all love it, so I thought let's make a different kind of a video. What I mean by this is, so basically I always come and tell you that these products that I've brought, which was super viral and it worked for me, but I also want to address the products that I ended up buying, which I initially loved, but now I don't love it. Or else I bought it and it really did not work for me. But having said that, it could also be that I did not like the product, or you may have loved it. So it could be anything, but these are the products that I kind of did not like and I have reasons for it. So I am going to talk about it. By the way, these products went super viral on the internet, and I should also admit that there are also times that I end up buying products which also kind of disappoint me. So I really want to talk about it. So let's quickly get started. And I promise I have got solid reasons. So the number one product is by the brand Cosrx. Now, you know that Cosrx was like over the moon, over the planet because of the Korean skin care routine and all of those hype. So I got a lot of products from there, and one actually claimed that it actually helps to remove the blackheads and the whiteheads from the nose area. And I was very disappointed because honestly it is very pricey. The Cosrx products are very pricey, and I bought this. I really tried hard. I was like, it's fine, it's not working. Let's try it another season. Like maybe it's not working in summers, maybe let's try it in winters. I did give this one a try for like about a year, like last year. I got this like last year, but this did not work for me, and I'm so disappointed because yaar bahut hi zyada expensive है. It is like very expensive. So this is the BHA Blackhead Power Liquid Cosrx. So this is basically, it actually says that this liquid helps to remove oil and deeply cleanse while moisturizing the skin to make the pores appear smaller, and this is for blackhead. Okay, and I was so disappointed. You can see that I've tried it. Okay, I've tried this much and I still have so much to go, but it doesn't work. And what do I do with the product? I've really tried it hard. I actually like took pictures before, and I genuinely tried it like every other day to see, like, with consistency, what is wrong with me. Like with consistency, the problem is that whenever I say anything bad for anything, I kind of fumble. I don't know why. What is the problem? I think I need to understand that it's okay. I can also give my opinion. I'm not saying that this brand is wrong or the brand is bad. I really love some of the products from this brand, but this doesn't work and I don't know why am I even fumbling. But let's come back to the point. The point is that this did not work for me. I was super consistent with it. I really tried hard. I really saw um that it wasn't working for me, and so it didn't work for me. So this is something which I really did not like, and probably I would not recommend it. That's my point of view. So in case it's worked for you, just put that in the comment with your skin type and everything, so that maybe it would work for another skin type. By the way, my skin type is combination skin, and in winters it tends to get drier. So this is also something you really have to consider, because I tested this out in the summers, in rainy season, and winters, but it did not work for me. As simple as that. Let's move to another product. Now, I'm first. Okay, first, being super candid and being super raw, I made a video and I had spoken about this product and I got so much of uh you know uh comments saying that we use this, we love this, and this is fragrance free. We don't know what fragrance you're talking about and all of those stuff. But again, this is something I really, really want to talk about. Now, this is the Dot and Key skincare. It is ceramides and hyaluronic skin barrier repair face cream with probiotics and rice water. Honestly, I follow genuine content creators who actually speak about skin, actually speak about products, and they actually spoke a lot of good things about this product. So I ended up buying this, but I don't know, maybe it could be like I got like a fake product. I'm really not sure. If you could see this, and I'm also going to show the back of this product. I don't know, man. I mean, I got this from Nika. I paid about 400 rupees, like 395 rupees for it. It's still Zinda. I mean, the expiry date or the due date for this is March 26. But the problem with this product for me genuinely is the smell. There is smell. Now, the thing is that it's written fragrance free here, okay? It's written here, but it does have a smell. I don't know how do I even, I really hope, I really wanted, like, what do I even say, there should be like some kind of a thing that you can smell through the camera. I mean, see, this is how it looks like. Okay, this is something it looks like. Let me just, okay, this is something it looks like. I'll just show you how it blend. It does take time to blend, but see, can you see, it does take a little time to blend. I think a lot of time to blend. Can you see it? Look at this and tell me, have I gotten like a fake product, or is this like a genuine product and it does take time to blend? My god, it's still there. Let me just blend it. इतना तो टाइम नहीं लगता है कोई चीज को blend करने. That this is exactly what I'm talking about. Okay. Now, can you see how shiny this is? Now I'm going to show this side of my hand. Can you see the difference? This is so dry and this feels so moisturizing. But this has a very weird smell. I can't tell you. I can't tell you how weird this is, but I don't know. There are so many people shouting at me and saying, ki, you know, please be honest when you're reviewing about a product, because we are using it and this doesn't have any smell. So, apologies for all of the people who are thinking the way they are, but I think if that is something, see, if a lot of people out there are talking about it and telling me that it is fragrance free as it is written here, and I am getting a smell, probably I've gotten like a default piece or a piece I shouldn't be getting, or maybe I don't know. I got this from Nika, which is actually a very genuine site. So I don't know, man. But this really did not work for me. That is my final verdict. There are this so much in it. Okay, I got this product like last year start, because इसका जो ओरिजिनल डेट है ना वो है 23 का. I got it like last year, or maybe last to last year. I don't even know. I got like last year, and इतना बचा है, like इतना सारा बचा है, and I really don't feel like using it because it smells so weird कि यार पूरे पूरा बहुत अजीब हो जाता है. Like I really don't like it. So yeah, I mean, I don't know. But for me, it did not work for me, and probably I would not recommend it. But if it has worked for you, great, man. Just go ahead, because honestly, like I told you, I've seen creators raving about it, and that's the reason I bought it. But for me, it did not work, and that's about it. Let's move to another product. Now, this is the Plump. Okay, this is their encapsulated salicylic acid face serum. This fights active acne and regulates sebum, and it did not work for me. Now, if you see, I've used like this much, okay? Like very, very little. If you can see it on the camera, I've used this much and it did not work for me. I really don't know what this product does. I don't like it at all. अब ये खुल नहीं रहा है, but I'm gonna show you इसका कंसिस्टेंसी. एक्चुअली अगर आप देखोगे ना इसको गौर से, कैन यू सी देयर इज दिस येलो कलर का थिंग दैट इज लाइक अक्यूमुलेटेड. आई डोंट इवन नो व्हाट दैट इज. आई डोंट लाइक इट. आई रियली डोंट लाइक इट. And this is something it looks like, and I really don't know what exactly is the problem. I don't like this product at all. समटाइम मुझे लगता है मैं कितना रूड बोल देता हूँ यार, बट इट डिड नॉट वर्क फॉर मी. ओके, honestly, this came to me like I got this like probably, or it came to me like last year, and I just used this because when I used it, it did not do anything. ना इसने मेरा oil control किया, ना इसने मेरा sebum को protect किया. It did not do anything. My skin still felt oily. So especially this part of my face did feel super oily. So I really don't think it did anything even when I had like an active acne. I'm not saying it spoiled anything, but neither it did not do anything. So if the brand claims or the product claims that it actually fights active acne and regulates your sebum, it should do it because it is claiming it. So I would not recommend this and I would not be using it. So if it doesn't work for me, I would probably not use it, or maybe give it to someone who actually wants to try it out. Probably I would do that because ye sab to I am not going to use. Now, moving forward to something which I am shocked. So, initially in the video, I spoke about few products that I raved about in the start, but now probably I don't want to use it, or probably I would not be using it. So there are two products, okay? If you are following me for a while now, you would know that I loved these two sunscreens because on Nykaa, this this particular sunscreen was at number one, which means a lot of people were buying it. I'm not saying it's a bad sunscreen, okay? Neither of them are bad sunscreen, but I have like a solid reason. If it resonates, probably you can ditch it or you can also continue with it. Okay, let's talk about this. The first one, this is the Dr. Sheetka ceramide and vitamin C sunscreen with a SPF 50 with a PA 3 pluses. Now, I have used about 3 to 4 tubes of this product of this brand, and I love this brand genuinely because इसका moisturizer, sleeping mask, the lactic acid peel, बहुत सारे चीजें I use, but this is also fab, okay? But the problem right now is this one is created with old age filter sunscreen. If you don't know what is old age and new age, I'm going to pop the video right here. I've already made it and people have loved that video. You can probably go and check it out. So I bought this. Now the problem with the sunscreen is that the old age sunscreen, what it does is, especially if you're a woman, it is going to go inside your bloodstream and going to disrupt your hormones, okay? And me being in my fertility journey, which means that when I'm planning to conceive, it's not a great idea that already when my hormones are like fluctuating and not working the way it should be, I should not disrupt it, which means I should not put anything on my skin which actually gets into my bloodstream. क्या काम होता है सनस्क्रीन का, दैट इट इज ऑन टॉप ऑफ योर स्किन एंड इट इज प्रोटेक्टिंग योर स्किन, दैट्स इट. It doesn't have to go inside or it doesn't have to penetrate inside your skin to protect your skin, right? It has to be on the top layer of the skin, and that's the reason this is the last step in your skincare routine, in your morning skincare routine. So this one actually has old age filters. इसके वजह से स्किन के अंदर चला जाता है. Only because I have like an hormone वाला issues, like I have like fertility issues, I am planning to conceive. That's the only reason I'm going to ditch it. Otherwise, I really like the product. If you're okay that it goes inside your skin and all of those, that's okay. You can actually go and Google what is the difference between old age sunscreen, and I mean old filter and a new filter sunscreen, you will probably get an answer to that as well, just for your basic idea. And the other one that I was talking about, another sunscreen which actually ranks, like tops the list on Nykaa for sunscreen. Like number one sunscreen is by Dermaco, and this is their 1% hyaluronic sunscreen, aqua gel with a PA 4 pluses, fabulous. Honestly, when I bought this product, I liked it, but then I switched and then I saw that it is ranking on Nykaa and I again bought it. I paid about 500 rupees for it. I bought it in November. I did my studies like recently because I posted a video recently. I did my study and I understood that this also has an old age filters, and I was like, shit, now I cannot let anything penetrate inside my bloodstream because sunscreen has to be on top of your skin. I should not go inside your body, inside your bloodstream, and disrupt the hormones. So I was very particular about it. So if you're someone who is okay with it because you really don't care and you think that this is not harming you, you can probably stick to it, but I wouldn't recommend it because I think abhi new age filter sunscreens aa gaye hai, so you can actually use it because with technology and with so much studies, I think we should also step ahead and make sure that we take care of ourselves. This is what my principle is. There's a lot of studies and there is so much out there in the internet ki yaar old age sunscreen hai, or new age sunscreen hai, filters hai, and there blah blah blah. There's so much that it confuses. So it's so important that you keep yourself educated, and that is what I am trying to convey. So, like I said, I loved the sunscreen. If I would not have the problem of infertility, probably I would have continued. I wouldn't have even gone and done my research. You know, so for me, I think I'm going to ditch it. But if it works for you, great. But I wouldn't recommend it. Probably I would switch to a new age filter sunscreen. Okay, I really hope this helped. I really hope that I try to convey a solid point on why I kind of do not like these products and why probably I'm going to ditch it for now. And if you have any question, if you have any views, you can pop that in the comment. But please, ये डॉट इन की में फ्रेग्रेंस है या नहीं मत करना यार, क्योंकि मेरे वाले में फ्रेग्रेंस है. नाउ आई डोंट नो व्हाट आई कैन डू विद इट. सो just forgive me for that, okay? Because itne sare comments aaye the and I was like, what just happened? But it's fine. So yes, I really hope this video was helpful, and if you like this video, you know the drill, like, share, subscribe. And if you have anything that you want me to create, thode se ideas de do, put that in the comments and I would be very very happy to create that for you. And with that, I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Love that.